I always order my parts from fcpeuro.com because they have a lifetime replacement guarantee and you can't beat that. Get a bucket and a fluid pump, and you have to remove all that fluid and save it for later. Now put the cap back on and use a 10mm socket to remove that bolt. There's only one bolt to be removed. You kind of like wiggle it a little bit to loosen it, then you have to gently pull it upward and it'll come off. And there's the pump right there. And you have to unclip that wiring harness. Just press the tab and pull it up. And also the other side, there's another one. Same thing. You have to press the tab and pull it out. That's for the level sensor for the fluid. And you also have to remove that rubber tubing connected to the pump. You have to turn the pump a little and then just slide it out. Also, don't forget to remove that old strainer. You have to replace that also. Make sure when you order the pump, you have to order a new strainer also. Then install the new strainer. Make sure it's tight and pushed in all the way, or else it will leak. Install the new pump. Then you have to turn it a little. And install that wiring harness for the level sensor. Make sure it clicks in and then try to pull it out if it's tight enough. Install the rubber tubing. Then the wiring harness for the pump. Make sure it's all the way in and you should hear a click. Then make sure you have to align the tab into the hull of the chassis. And then push it a little until it clicks in. Now it's secured. Install the bolt. Don't over tighten it. Put the old fluid back. Don't forget to put the cap back on and make sure nothing is leaking. That's it, all done.